What's going on, everybody? This is Kev the Barber with another classic, and yes, you read that right. This is your quick 4 or 5 minute taper right here, starting off with the 1.5 guard open, or halfway rather, just to clean it up, lay it down. Honestly, I was not going to upload this video, to be frank with y'all. Was not going to upload it because I didn't really like the way it looked on camera. There's an aspect of it that did not like. I'm going to tell you guys at the end. Comment down below if you think you know what I'm talking about before I say it, though. You got to put it before I say it. But anyway, so basically I start with my darkest, which is a 1.5, and then I take my no guard and close it. So I basically checking my 2 points. When you want to create a line, you gotta know where you're starting, where you're going, or create a line, know your journey. So that's how I do things. Sometimes I set a start point and an end point, and I'm really just blending it all together. So this is just one big guideline, I guess you can say. I know some of you guys have noticed that I've been fading down a lot lately. Last video, somebody asked if I could go into detail about fading down. Definitely can do that. That will be in a future video. This was pre-recorded, so I wanted to make sure I uploaded this because it took me some time to really upload it. So after I went and used my one open and close, I just blended that out. I'm using my no guard right now, and this is all done in 4 minutes. Everything I'm saying, there are no cuts. Everything's just being done right here, straight, real time, just so you guys can really see how it's done. You can see that I'm flicking and making sure that my hand is really light throughout the whole fade, and that's really important when you're doing these fades. I can see some beginners real muscular with their fades, real guess you could say mechanical. You got to be more fluid. Your body needs to be a part of the experience. I don't want to sound too pseudo or too philosophical here, but it's real. Like a fade needs to be fluid, and that's really what I want to show in all these videos. So I'm uploading so much as well. Thank you guys for supporting. Notice, if you really look at the head right now, this is an imperfection, or a specification I think you always need to pay attention to when you're cutting hair. Right where I am, there's light, right? You can see that it's shaded from light to dark, from left to the right of the back of the head, which is going to affect the way I see the fade. And we're creating a line right here. And just a little tip here for the line. If you start around the top of the ear, then bring that line down, you'll know the angle. Look at where the hair kind of stops growing, and it'll show you the line. But anyway, so the lighting was a little weird on that side of the head, and I had to cut in a way that you couldn't see the camera. Definitely no excuse here because I'm trying to show you guys things. I should have paid attention to that. But that's just a little tidbit I want you to know. That's the imperfection I was talking about in the beginning. The right side, the fade kind of drops down to the right for this complete right here, and there's like a dark spot on the left side. And those are some imperfections that I try not to post, or I try my best to, be perfect on here, but there's no such thing as perfect. Anyway, that's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. That's the quick taper. See you guys in the next one. Peace.